Hey guys, I just got back from a grand vacation in the west coast of the United States, and I'm here to unbox some art supplies that I bought from Arch in San Francisco. I was with my family driving around the west coast, going from LA to Utah and Arizona, visiting some nice places like the Grand Canyon, Monument Valley, Bryce Canyon, and Page, Arizona, to see the Lower Antelope Canyon. And that's some nice rocks, colorful stones from the area, which were really quite cheap and beautiful.
Like, see, there are different colors highlight. I think this is white highlights.
And so let's get with the unboxing. There were some products in this shop that were discounted. First off, their watercolor paper, hot press finish, 6x6 size, square, very smooth, and it's good on the sides, so I don't need to tape it down when I do some painting. I thought I would try it, so yeah, maybe I will show you one of these days some painting demo from my my trip using this paper. Aside from that, I also got this brush pouch from Etchrlab folder, because I already got a big pouch, and then I got this small bag that had some brush holders in it, but I just wanted something thinner and easier to carry around, like this one. So it holds several brushes. There you go. Be using it one of these days when I do some plein air painting trips. And what else? Something also from Resellers. As you know, I have tried before using the Perfect sketchbook, and I really liked it. They had some promotions on Etchrlab products, and one of them is the Perfect sketchbook. I wanted the same one that I got before, the A5 format, but unfortunately they ran out of stock. I got this shipped before from the United States, and I have used up one, and this is my second one, and quite like this cold pressed Fabriano paper. This is a painting of the Grand Canyon from Matter Point that I did during my trip. And I wanted to buy this exact same format, but unfortunately they ran out of stock. And for this size, this was the last one that they got for the Perfect sketchbook series and it was quite a bigger size than the usual one that I use. And it didn't come anymore with a box because this was on display. So for this I got some discount. Originally it was $75, but I got it for $60 instead, because as you can see it has a bit of wear on it, but the paper's all intact, so I decided to get it instead. To get it instead of the hot pressed ones, which I also wanted to try. Maybe I will get them next time when there's another discount or promo or something, or if I ever get back to the US again. Yeah, I will test this one of these days and show you how it goes. And I also got some nice mop brushes in different sizes, just because they were so cheap. They look a bit like makeup brushes. These are cheap, like $3 or less. I thought I would make some nice clouds. I can make do some clouds on them and do a quick wash using this big one. It has a really soft, fluffy texture, almost like a makeup brush. Yeah, we'll test them one of these days. Simply Simmons oval wash. Great. What else? And lastly, there was 40% sale on M. Graham pigments. And I seen there were buy 3 get 1 free, so I bought 3 different colors. I got this nice cobalt blue one, where is the information? You can see the light fastness one and the pigments, PB28. I'll try it out for you guys one of these days. Terra Rosa, I thought it was a nice earthy pinkish color. Light fastness one, PR101, and this nice cadmium red light, series 5. This should be more opaque maybe. PR108. And I also got zinc white, PW4. I also saw this this gold color, bronze aqua from Schminke. And there were some next to it, there were some tests on the paper and it looked really nice. So I thought I would give it a try, because I've always wanted to use gold in watercolor. And that was all I had in my art shopping list. But I thought I would show you some cute little stuff as well from Miniso, like this cute little markers, look like candies that I could give as gifts to friends or kids, and these cute little notebooks. I wish we had Miniso here in France. Also got something from Takashimaya, this Spirited Away postcards that I can I thought would be fun for me to try recreating in watercolor. Maybe got from Kinokuniya. Sorry if I said Takashimaya, I meant Kinokuniya. I used to live in Singapore and I would always go to Kinokuniya for books. And also I got this from City Lights Publishers, booksellers and publishers in San Francisco. I thought it would be interesting to know some stuff about architecture. So I got this one, $17.95. I have yet to open it and read it. And this one, I find this book very interesting. It's actually something I got from, I originally got one from City Lights Booksellers and Publishers in San Francisco, but unfortunately I lost it on the plane. And so when I got back here in France, I bought this one from Amazon, and I fake labeled it as something that I bought in San Francisco. It's quite a nice informative book that I can use not just for watercolor painting, but you know, for general knowledge, and maybe something I can use for my job in tech, like for designing UI and stuff like that. Really interesting book. And so that's about it for now. I hope you enjoyed this my mini unboxing and purchase from my US West Coast US trip, and I will be giving you more details later on about the pigments and the perfect sketchbook and the brushes in my next videos to come. So if you like this video and my other videos, if you like this video and my other videos in my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Thanks for watching.